What is going on? Welcome back to another video. Stuck in traffic a little bit, not too bad. I'm about to hop on the toll here to get to my shoot this morning. When I checked the map earlier, it was
right to keep right to merge onto Dallas North Tollway North.
When I checked the map earlier, it was 50 minutes, basically 45 to 50 minutes to get over here. Before I started packing up, like loading up the car and all that good stuff. After, when I was getting closer to my time to leave, 25 minutes. So much better. So that's kind of why I don't take shoots before 10 a.m. Just because getting anywhere in Dallas before that is a nightmare. It pretty much doubles time anywhere. Even if I wanted to go in my neighborhood, a block down, 45 minutes. But anyway, first shoot. This morning's shoot is not too far from me, luckily.
Right.
I'm going into a bank and I'm shooting basically everyone that works there. They need a big office team photo for corporate, and that's my job today, to go over there, set up, and get their shots. Should be pretty quick. That's really all they want, is just the group shot, so that part should be pretty quick. But one person wants to go ahead and get professional headshots taken, since I'll be there and I'll have my lighting kit and all that good stuff. So either way, it shouldn't take too long, but they booked an hour out just in case. Just in case, don't know. So kit wise, I brought the RP because I figured I really didn't need the R6. I got 2 Glodox 685s with the dome diffusers, the stands, and the little mount adapters that go with that, so I can put them on said stands. Got the wireless trigger, and everything's kind of crammed in my low pro bag with the little rolly thingy that makes it into like a luggage bag. So fairly simple kit because I'm not having to shoot a bunch of stuff. Lens wise, I have the 17 to 40 for the big group shot because it's about 20-25 folks, and then I brought the 24 to 105 just in case we're going to do the portraits as was talked about over the phone. So we'll see. 2 lenses just in case, but for the most part, pretty standard portrait kit, if you will. Super compact, by the way. I don't have any of the big umbrellas or anything like that I'm bringing, or any of the bigger C-stands, so always nice carrying that around. Oh yeah, it's on the 2nd floor, which is another reason I'm trying to keep it as compact as possible and easy to carry, hence the roller bag. So I'm just a few more minutes out from the shoot. Let's see. It's a bank, so I'm gonna kind of feel it out and see how much content I can get inside the bank. I don't want to push any boundaries or anything like that. So I will check in with you in a little bit. Yeah, I'll check in with you in a little bit, see how everything goes. Okay, that is a wrap on the shoot. So overall, very quick shoot. The group photos took maybe 10 minutes. Setup maybe took 5 minutes. We did 2 sets of group shots. And then I did another smaller 3-person group. And then I did 2 individual portraits at the end. But overall, it took about 20 minutes, I think. 20-25 minutes. Not bad at all. Lighting was a little tricky, but my 2 flashes were more than enough to kind of cover the group that was there. It's about 20-25 roughly for the main big group that I was there to get. We had a hard time kind of finding a good spot, mainly because their offices on the 2nd level were more or less cubicles and conference rooms. Nothing that was going to be able to accommodate 20-ish people for a group shot. So we ended up doing the shoot in the lobby, which is a little bit, I was a little bit concerned since it's a bank lobby. I thought people were going to be coming in and out, but for the amount of time that we took, we didn't have anyone come in at all. So it was perfect. It ended up working out really well. 2 flashes covered it just fine. The 17 to 40 did great for the group shot, and the 24 to 105, of course, did really well for the portraits. So no complaints. I don't think I could do anything differently next time, if there is a next time for them, other than we already know to shoot in the lobby if that's what they need. So overall, great shoot. Can't complain. That's gonna be it for today, really. What are you shooting? What are you working on? What you got this week? This week, I have a shoot on Saturday, then a shoot on Sunday. So pretty stacked week. I already have the rest of the time blocked off for other projects, but Saturday should be really fun. 5-hour shoot covering a nice Bar Crawler Nation event. Sunday morning, if it doesn't rain, I have a nice 2-hour portrait shoot downtown, which should be gorgeous if it doesn't rain. So I'm looking forward to the weekend. Pretty stacked weekend, but still looking forward to it. All right, I gotta go. I have I have a flash to unbox, and I'm pretty stoked about. So be on the lookout for that video pretty soon. Like, share, subscribe if you want. If you don't, I don't care. You do you. Let me know what you're shooting in the description, or let me know what you're shooting in the comment section. All right, I gotta go for real. Like, share, subscribe if you want. Okay, bye.